So if you've already decided that you want to learn how to make money online, but you're just not sure what program you're going to choose yet, this video is for you. My name's Al. I'm in Denver, Colorado, and I'm 56 years old now. Last year at 55, I decided that I was going to learn how to make money online. I had no idea how to do it, guys. I had no computer skills, still don't have a lot. And I knew that people made money online. So I was very intrigued by it and I wanted to learn. I was in a position where I needed to make money. So it became very important for me to figure it out, and I needed to be able to do it from home and to not take a lot of my time. And there was just all these reasons that came together as to why making money online made sense. But I had no idea where to start. So I sifted through all the videos on TikTok of the people talking about making money online, and I looked into different programs, and I really kind of boiled it down to one specific one that really kind of checked all the boxes for me, and that was this program called Legacy Builders. So what I liked about it is that the program was made for beginners. It was made for people like me who don't have those computer skills. It had a very comprehensive step-by-step program with video training that I could follow along, click the buttons where they told me to click, and I was able to get everything set up. It showed me the different ways to make money, and it came with a business in the box, meaning it came with pre-made websites and sales funnels and email automations. All these things you need for your business that you would otherwise have to make was included. It also came with a school community that had 50-some thousand people in it that all are there to help each other out. It's not multi-level marketing. You don't make money off each other. It's not like that. You don't have any downlines or any shared commissions. In fact, you make 100% of the profits, which is another reason why I chose it. It also gave me 4 income streams, which I really liked. It fit many different budgets for people that wanted to do this program. Because what I do, the primary way I make money is I resell the program. Yes, you can make money many different ways. The program will teach you the training, all these different options that you can go through to make money online. But I found the easiest and fastest way is just to resell the program and the business in a box to other people who also want to make money online. By the way, that market is huge. Millions of people a month go on Google each day and try to find out how to make money online. I'm able to provide that to them as well as you if you decide to get into the program as well. And it's really nice because it's something called master resale rights that makes that possible. And it means you own it. When you buy it, you own it. So you only pay the fee one time for everything, and you get all your money back on your very first sale of your product. I mean, it's a no-brainer to me. So look, if you want to get more information about how it works, just type ready in the comments. I'll send you the link. You can check everything out on my website. It explains everything to a T, and then you'll see why it works for you too.